My business before now was not really moving because of the light issue in this environment. Having this solar fridge have really changed my business. The sales are really increased and the business is moving.
CLASP is a leading global authority on efficient appliances' role in fighting climate change and improving people's lives. To increase access to affordable, life-changing appliances in off-grid areas, CLASP created the Productive Use Financing Facility. This facility uses innovative financing to support local appliance distributors in emerging economies, sell vital appliances at affordable rates. Now, Nigerian distributor Consistent Energy is able to increase its sales of portable solar refrigerators to the community.
Over 600 million Africans do not have access to energy, and if you have solutions that are completely off-grid, that you don't have to rely on the grid to power, then you're able to create energy access to very remote communities. The grant that was given to us by CLASP under this project has really helped us in terms of building our capacity to be able to reach last-mile distribution chain. The landed cost of the fridge to a customer in Nigeria will have been very high, if not for the subsidy that we have received.
Before getting the church is solar by Consistent Energy Limited, we go into buying blocks, which leads to some debt, and after a while the block will melt. We will not get coatings anymore. The Church Hill solar fridge has really increased the sales. Business is very good now because I am able to sell cold drinks.